Okay, so welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna review a book which is now Nancy Drew's series, and it is an English book. Many of you are the fans of Nancy Drew. So the part is Nancy Drew, the clue of mystery. So let us begin the what begin? Let us begin. Which begin? Let us begin the video. So I have read the book, and the positive point I gonna tell you first. Okay, positive point of the book is action, reaction. Okay, let me tell you in simple way. The story is about Nancy Drew got a mystery. I want to mean that one day Nancy Drew got a mystery. A man wearing a jacket named Terry Scott, he told that he and the three scientists were visited to invent a cipher stone or a treasure, and they have find a treasure, and the main thing, that is not the point, that they have found the treasure. When they found the treasure in the next morning, the treasure got disappeared with a scientist. So Nancy Drew have to solve the mystery of the treasure, the keys. Okay, so Nancy Drew have to solve this type of mystery, and the main point is this book contains all dramas. I mean, it contains drama, horror, all the elements. I will be mentioning in the subtitle. Okay. Okay, my sister is doing naughtiness in the scene. She is very filmy. So whatever. The Clue of Black Keys is one of the best novel I ever read. So I have read only 3 novels. In the 3 novels, I think this is the best one. And I got startled, or you can say astonished, when I was reading the action. What a action! Like a realistic action. The main thing is its horror part. There is no ghost, but there is a horror part that make this very what you can say. Okay, special, and this is the 20th story of Nancy Drew. Well, I forget to tell you the author's name. The author name is the author name is Caroline Keene, which is a famous writer, and the Caroline Keene had written over 68 or 64 novels of Nancy Drew, and the Franklin Desson Keene, that is Hardy Boys, there is 68 novels that she had written. It is a very famous novel. If you want to buy the novel, then I will give the link in the description box. And there is the series of Nancy Drew. You can see in the Amazon Prime, but you can see in the English language. So first you have to do is go to search for Amazon Prime. If you have the account, then it's okay. Then search for okay, she want to speak, but not now. Okay, first open the Amazon Prime, then search for Nancy Drew, then select the Nancy Drew series. There is 2 seasons, so you will click on 2 and see the series. So now my sister want to say something to you.
Hello. Amat Korbo.
Okay, she was just joking.
Korbo.
So she was just this is a mystery story, and this have the adventure that make this special, and it contains this thrill, adventure, and the mythology that is explained in this thing. It has much mythology that make you interested in the novel. That is the main thing of the story, and this is the 20th novel of the Caroline Keene in the Nancy series. Okay, so another thing I want to say that Caroline okay, the comedies are very good, romance good, horror good. There is no ghost, but horror part is there. No ghost, but horror part is there. Action, reaction, sadness, emotions, all are good, and I want to give it 5 out of 4. The negatives of the book that make it the very the diverse characters. There are lots of characters to remember. We can't remember the characters, and in the moment when I was reading the book, I sometimes thought of why this is happening. I mean, this is a good novel, but sometimes it was showing that why this is continuing. So that thing they should replace, but they are okay. That is okay, and okay. So 5 out of 4 stars I want to give. So
Hello.
like, share and subscribe please.
Like, share और सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो और गुड करो. Bye, see you.
She was telling okay, like, share and subscribe our channel. Then don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will and make it gray. And if you liked our video, then please please
Hello.
share our video, and thanks for watching
My video.